Please subscribe for more awesome and healthy tips. Hello friends, today we will talk about world's best hair oil for excess hair fall treatment, which is jaborandi hair oil manufactured by Wheezal's Homeopathic. So let's see what does make it special. Wheezal jaborandi hair oil provides complete hair care by maintaining healthy hair growth, slows down age-related hair loss and controls gray hair. It nourishes the scalp and hair follicles and maintains healthy blood flow to the scalp. There are many other hair loss homeopathic remedies, but this remedy has shown excellent results in people suffering from hair loss due to any cause, one of the best excessive hair fall remedies and provides best homeopathic treatment for hair fall. It increases the growth of hair and makes hair strong by providing best nutrition to the roots of hair. Wheezal jaborandi hair oil may be used regularly to increase the strength and thickness of hair. After using this hair regularly, your hair will grow and will become thick and long. Wheezal jaborandi hair oil has very good to control hair fall, especially during confinement and lactation with much dandruff. Wheezal jaborandi hair oil improves hair health by providing nourishment. It nourishes your hair cells and helps in the growth of the hair, prevent the formation of split ends of the hair. Ingredients of Wheezal jaborandi hair oil: jaborandi Q, Brahmi Q, Wiesbaden 6X, Kent Harris Q, Arinka Mont Q means mother tincture, and mother tincture is best for any kind of treatment, and you will not get these ingredients in any other homeopathic hair oil. How to use: take about 4 to 5 ml of Wheezal jaborandi hair treatment oil in the palm, dip your fingertips into it. Now run your fingertips through the hair like a comb, ensuring it touches the hair roots, and rub gently. Ensure you repeat this exercise to cover the whole surface area of your scalp on all sides. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Solution for All for more awesome and healthy tips.